Hey guys, it's Fonzie. I hope everybody's staying safe out there, feeling healthy out there. Today we've got a very simple video. For years, you guys have asked us for a mint color, and we've never had a mint color, and now we do. The S4 is right here. It's about to get fresh mint. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, the car is done. Now, the fresh mint did surprise me. I will admit that. First of all, I thought the coverage was going to be pretty poor. Anytime you have that lighter color like that, I thought we were going to need 3-4 coats in order to get full solid coverage. We got full solid coverage basically after the second coat and went into the third just for the thickness of the film, but the coverage is actually really good. The second thing is, I was never a big fan of mint, and that may be why we never really had a mint color. I was never really drawn to it personally, but I think I get it. I think I understand the allure. This is a super clean, fresh color. Now, if you want to do your car in fresh mint, it's super easy. Click right up here. It'll bring you to the fresh mint car kits, and they include everything you need to get the job done. If you have any questions at all, chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or email CustomerService@DipYourCar.com. Let's go outside and check out the car. Thank you guys so much for not only watching, but subscribing to our channel. It's Fonzie. I will see you guys on the next video.